Anytime that you want to give yourself high-quality help after dealing with water damage, you will want to make the most of our Roy Utah Water Damage Cleanup Services Company. We are excellent at what we do and can also empower you with some information that will help you keep your home intact as much as possible. When this is what you need, there are some guidelines that will assist you in that regard. These points will assist you whether you need water damage restoration after a hurricane, flood, pipe burst, or just normal circumstances. Water damage restoration is one of the leading causes of property damage and can also wreak havoc on your health. This can create mildew and mold throughout your home and can also cause serious skin irritations on your body. As mold breeds inside of your home, it can also cause issues that trigger your asthma, allergies, and some other problems. With this in the back of your head, you will need to be vigilant about the way that you handle it. By reaching out to a Roy Utah water damage cleanup contractor, you will be able to get the assistance that you need from professionals who will be glad to provide you with the help that is necessary